Hi, I'm JT Baroma, an active guider of MMM Philippines from Parañaque City. I provided help on the following dates with the specific amounts respectively. On January 25, I provided help for 500 pesos, and on the 29th of January, I provided help again for 1,000 pesos. And then on February 6th, I provided again another help for another 1,000 pesos. And then on February 26, I requested to get help for 3,200 from the said donations and others. Let me show you the summary of my get help. So here it is. There's came aside from those um, donations, I also got from my leader bonus, referral bonus, and the rest. So I want to thank the participant who provided the help to me, who's say Mika Martin. And also want to thank all the participants, my fellow guiders, our admins, and to our founder Sergey Mavrodi for keeping MMM alive to be able to continue helping people. Together we change the world.